Hello my fans, so we don't enter inside circle theorem or circle geometry. And then I want column, no wahala. So the same way you find the value of m, we don't give you this particular circle, we get triangle inside. Now, if you see any circle like this, we get triangle inside. Again, one of the theorem we say the angle in a semicircle. What if it's semicircle? Now this thing I call semicircle. You see this line like this, I can't get this particular one like this. Now be the same thing with this one. Then they call semicircle. Because if you put the top side, now make a full circle. So when I call something, say the angle in a semicircle means say if I get angle here like this, this angle I get like this. Now me this angle here. So it means that the angle in a semicircle is equal to 90 degrees. So this particular angle now are 90 degrees. If you're 90 degrees now, you can make this particular angle. Instead of you could see them as triangle, you can call them right angle triangle. You understand? Because this particular point now 90 degrees. So, and again, rule we say the sum of angle in a triangle, right angle triangle, the sum of angle in a right angle triangle is equal to 180 degrees. That means this 90 degrees plus the angle way there plus the angle way there, if you sum up everything, will give you 180 degrees. So now, you don't know what this angle be because m there. So to find these two angles, to find within this m be for this particular right angle triangle, you're going to need to add everything and sum up to waiting 180 degrees. Make it do it quick. So you can get m minus 5 plus m plus 15. Normally, shortcut, as you know, say you're 90 degrees. If you just come out and for 180 degrees, so that you can just equate everything to 90. Then we just do everything together plus this 90 degrees. Because I said the sum of angle in a right angle triangle is equal to 180 degrees. I don't tell you the reason. Now, you go add this one together. M plus m will give us 2m. Minus 5 plus 15 will give us plus 10. And plus 10 plus 90 will give us plus 100 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Now, if you subtract 100 from both sides of the equation, you get 2m equal to 180 degrees minus 100 degrees. So 2m now will be equal to 180 degrees minus 100 degrees, will be 80 degrees. And 80 degrees now. So if you divide both sides by 2, you will see say your m will be equal to 180 degrees divided by 2 will give you 40 degrees. 40 degrees now be the value of the m when it's made fine. I will take you say correct. If you carry this m, put inside your m there, and if you put two of them together, if you add two of them together, it will give you 90. Because we need 90 to join with this 90 to give you 180 degrees to show say this particular thing when we talk for math is correct. When we say the sum of angle in a right angle triangle equal to 180 degrees. Make we check out 40 degrees minus 5. 40 minus 5 should be now 35. Just know say this one now 35 plus this one m now waiting 40. Now waiting we get plus 15 degrees. That one will give us waiting 55 degrees. 55 degrees. If you add 35 plus 55, should will give you 90. That 90 plus this particular 90, now 180 degrees. So it means that this answer correct. I hope you enjoy this particular video. If you want more question or more problem under the circle theory or circle geometry, just make sure you leave me comments for the comment section. If you share this video and like, now I'm gonna say you need more this thing. I go like for you. Make you hit the subscribe button and make sure you subscribe to this channel so that I'm gonna do more thing for you. Peace and love.